Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I have a fun, quirky, kind of ridiculous vocal warm-up for you today. This one can be used with students in elementary school, it can be used with adult choirs and community choir, and it will probably end up in laughing, which is a great way to release tension and start the body to be a little bit more relaxed before you start to sing. It's called the Animal Can-Can. And it goes like this. My dog, he can do the can-can better than the cat can, but my goldfish finds it very difficult. Oh, my dog, he can do the can-can better than the cat can, but my goldfish finds it very hard. This is based on Offenbach's Can-Can. I was going to post some video links to a can-can, but can-cans are pretty racy things. So if you want to look into that and do that with your students, go for it. But watch the whole video first, because there's often things that are a little bit racy in those videos. However, if you just talk about the can-can as very lively dance with high energy, lots of kicking, and sometimes acrobatic kind of jumping and splits and things like that, that gives you an idea of what a can-can is. Now, in addition to just singing that, you can do some vocalizing or visualizing of those animals. So instead of saying my dog, we're going to say my woof. Instead of my cat, we're going to say my meow. And instead of my goldfish, we're going to do a fish face. So good luck with that. You might want to practice this before you present it to your choir or your small group vocal class. So let's try it. I'll go a little slower. Ready, you can sing with me. My woof, he can do the can-can better than the meow can, but my finds it very difficult. Oh, my woof, he can do the can-can better than the meow can, but my finds it very hard. I have a link which I will put in this video to a video that you can hear of an adult choir doing this in their choir rehearsal, and they actually do it in canon. And by the time they all get in, all you can hear is woofs and meows, and every now and then it stops while they're doing whatever. So it's just a hoot. The students love to do this as a warm-up, as I said, just because of those sound effects, and then you can actually speed it up each time as you sing it, or you can go a half step higher each time you sing it as well. So there's lots of normal vocal warm-up treatments that you can do with the song at the same time as you are doing some ridiculous visual and sound effects to Animal Can-Can. This is one of the vocal warm-ups included in my PDF download package of vocal warm-ups. There are over 25 songs, exercises, different vocal warm-ups for different focus areas that you might want. So you would have some for diction, and some for warming up the body. There are some for increasing the range or warming up the range. So have a look at those resources in the vocal warm-up package I put together. You will find that at donnaandandy.com. There is information below this video, so you can check out links there. And wherever you are doing vocal warm-ups with your vocal studio singers, with your adult choir, your elementary choir, your middle school, high school choir, with your private vocal studio singers, maybe you are the private vocal studio singer, or in a homeschool. Wherever you are, vocal warm-ups can be fun, and they're great beginning exercises to do as you're getting ready to sing. Have a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day.